I'd be remiss if I didn't ask how many people in the room have Facebook, or have a profile on Facebook. By show of hands. Well, that's about half, which is good, right? How many people use a different social network? We will all come up here on stage at the end of this session and have a little tutorial on the difference. It's about active sharing. Simple as that, right? There are lots of, I've seen, you go to Wikipedia and you type in social web, and you can come up with hundreds of definitions, but it's about actively sharing. That's where the internet is going. And it's about the things we do day in and day out, right? So it's about photos, videos, discussion boards, user reviews, blogs, and there are big players in it now. These are some of the global players, but within each region around the world, there are significant influences. And they're too long to list. So it's not just about Facebook and MySpace and some of the others. There are big regional players that are influencing people's lives all over the world.